can't do that. The only foul is to.
Foul, bro.
You can't do that. That's a foul. No, that's.
I'm watching.
If you could do that and make people foul, that's what basketball people do. Oh yeah, but what I just did was a foul. Hey, dang,
God,
that's 1
I
point.
am.
He's the only person that dunked on. Now I dunk on you. Then, yeah, go over there. Move, lady. Alright. Big dunk on. Alright, I got 1 point. Now you dunked it on me.
How many points
You
I
dunked
got?
on me.
I got
Yeah,
one.
why?
I got one to go push you.
Come on, 9. Fine, that's a freaking foul. Now you do it. Now read it. Move, go back over. No, not you.
I go.
That's a foul. Oh, it's not. Alright, let's go. Move. Fine. Now it's your turn.
He got dunked on.
No, he didn't do it yet. It's 1-1-1.
He just bricked that.
You guys blocked on 3. Alright, now it's me. Now it's Amir's dunking on him. Go ahead.
You can't push me.
Yeah, no pushing. Alright, my turn.
He got dunked on.
But if you miss, but if you make it, it's over.
He got dunked on.
Oh, you can't push.
How did this come out?
Nah, that was a layup. That was a dunk. Okay. What the?
We're allowed to. This is your last chance. That's your last chance
I
now.
already dunked on him.
He sucked.
I dunked on him twice now. No, he didn't.
You dunked on him 5 times.
I dunked on him.
Sweet gets stadium.
Big ol' head.
My turn.
What? No, I didn't make it.
Yes, you did. You got mine.
2 points. 2 points.
That's
What?
They caught me. They caught me.